Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are gonna learn a new letter, okay? And you will love it so much, okay? This letter is this beautiful one, okay? It has the sound of B, okay? But let's forget the name of the letter and let's focus on the sound of the letter, okay? Let's add حركة الفتح. So the sound of it is ba, okay? Ba. So when I add this mark on the top, it gives the sound of A. So it is ba, ba, okay? So pay attention, please. So this letter in the beginning of the word looks like this. In the middle of the word looks like this. And in the end of the word, sorry, it looks like this. I must add this beautiful sign here too. So we have ba in the beginning of the word, ba in the middle of the word, ba in the end of the word, and this one can be in the end as well. Okay, so let's see the first one. The first word you're gonna write and read with me. Please read and write with me. Okay, so it is, okay, ba, it is this one. And then let's add this beautiful letter in the middle, a. So ba, a, and in the end, let's add this one, tha, ba, a, tha, ba'atha. Again, let's write. So I have here ba, a. This sound doesn't exist in English, so I have already said that in a previous video, and I said you have to get this sound from your deep throat, okay? So it is it's not a, it's not a, okay? Just I write it a, but the sound is not a, it is okay? If you can't pronounce it, or if you can't say it, okay, no problem, you can substitute it by a. So and in the end we have tha, okay? And the sound of tha is like th in the word thank you, okay? So ba'atha, what does it mean? It means resurrect, like when God brings someone back to the life, okay? So it is resurrect, okay? I don't know if I pronounced the word correctly or not. Let's move to another one. Another words, okay? You're gonna read with me as well. So the first one is ha, and pay attention to now. Look, it is ba in the middle, and in the end, let's add this beautiful letter, sa, habasa, habasa, habasa. What does it mean? When you put someone in the prison, okay? The person is a prisoner. So habasa is the verb, okay, when you put someone in the prison, but it is in the past as well. So the sound of this one, I've already said that too, is you have to get it from your throat. It is ha, ha, ha. Okay, if you can't pronounce it, you can put H, but it will be habasa, habasa, okay? But the correct is habasa. And here we have ba, and in the end we have sa, ha, ba, sa, ha, ba, sa. Okay, I forgot to put this. Ha, ba, sa. Okay, let's go to the last word. It is a very simple one. It is ka. It has the sound of ka. And then we have ta, ta, this is my A, okay? Ka, ta, ba, kataba, kataba, wrote, the past of write. Kataba, kataba, kataba. So guys, that's for today. If you like the video, please write a comment like this. I'm gonna produce more videos because I don't know if you are really learning from these videos or not, okay? Thank you very much and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.